Hey girls, welcome to the forest. So you guys fancy speed?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool.
Pretty excited.
Who was the driver on the way out?
Me. I was the bad navigator that got us lost a couple of times. Oh, this little car, this is Susie. Susie the Suzuki Swift. So what kind of car are we going in today?
We're in a wee Suzuki Swift, which as you can see isn't your ordinary Suzuki Swift. It's quite modified, so it's got a four-wheel drive system in it, which basically means all four wheels are driving. We've got a turbocharge added to the engine, which gives us a lot more horsepower.
So how fast do you reckon we'll be going?
I think we'll probably be about 150, 160.
It sounds fast, so I'm keen.
More horsepower than my car.
Yeah.
Yes, I used to ride motorbikes from about the age of 5 until around 15. No, netball. You kind of got to sacrifice some things. But yeah, I absolutely love the adrenaline and love going fast, and it's definitely awesome having something like that in your life.
Like I still remember my first time in a rally car and you go into that first corner. I think what you'll be blown away with when you go for a ride with it is just the G-forces. So it's like you'll be thinking, how on earth are we going to get around this first corner? Because it's just phenomenal how much grip these cars have.
It was really cool when we got in the car and she was going slow, and then she stopped and just revved the car and then just took off. That was probably my favourite part. Definitely love the adrenaline. Well, Suzuki is our main sponsor for both our teams, and how it's awesome to see like a different side of Suzuki, and it is so awesome to see, and having a female driver made it so much better.
It's not the most aesthetically pleasing outfit I've chosen or ever worn. Scariest part was the first corner. You know, I was just waiting for her to brake and she wasn't braking. First corner, your heart rate was skyrocketing. Whereas in the netball game, there are definitely some stressful situations that you encounter in a netball game, and definitely some different stressful situations in a rally car.
A lot in a rally car, like nearly every corner.
So that was like one of the coolest things I've ever done in my life. I was in the car for about 3 minutes and I walked out. I felt puffed, like, I don't know how you guys, I just so much more respect for you guys, because it's very like physically strenuous, and I didn't even, I thought you just had to like move the steering wheel and a few pedals.
Yeah.
An incredible experience. It was nothing I'd ever imagined it would be.
Definitely once in a lifetime experience.